a brake pad change on a 2004 Toyota Corolla LE. It is a 4-cylinder. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put your car on park, turn it off, put the jacket up, all right, and then whatever size your bolts is, this one has a special tool, so we're gonna go ahead and use that tool, and whatever fits on top, which is like 19 or 22 millimeters. So I'm using the Duralast OE brake pads. I heard they're pretty good. They don't leave no dust. But if you're not doing it yourself, it's going to be costly every year or so. Here's a special tool I'm using. It does take like a 19 millimeter on it. So here it is, guys. I put another jack under there if you're gonna go under the car, but probably not, so who cares? If the car falls down, who cares? So if I were you, or if I were me, I'd turn the wheel to the left so you have more space for clearance. To remove the caliper bolts. Just $1 a year. So these calipers have a 14 millimeter bolt to remove them. As you can see, they're showing them right here, one right here, and one right here. But sometimes you could just get away with removing the bottom one, which I'd move first. That way you can kind of pull the caliper up, and I'll show you in the next one. So I use a manual ratchet wrench. And actually, yeah, so we'll go from the bottom, one bolt. Okay. And then I just ink it up like this. Bam. Now you do need to use a caliper pusher. I'll go ahead and look for one right now. Give me a second. So this is a caliper pusher. I just screw it all the way to the top like this, and I just take the brake calipers off. Kind of hot. If you're sensitive to heat, I suggest you do this like 30 minutes after you drive or in a cold morning. Okay, so that's what I do. I get this caliper, brake pad, sorry. Just like this. Now, this is only for this specific vehicle, not for every brake pad job, and not for every vehicle of the same make and model, because some are made from Europe, some are made from America, and they all have different setups. So if you have this setup with the caliper, then you can go ahead and do this. And I just push this in, just like that, spinning till this caliper is flat. Okay, there you go. Now, open up your new pads. Use a knife or use whatever you can make. So, turn these around. Be careful to not get any dirt on it, or grease, sorry. But I'd lay a bit of grease over it, over the back and the middle part. Just like this. This will prevent noise, maybe from rust or dirt, or it'll prevent these sides from sticking and jamming up your brake pads. As you could tell, this is almost to the metal. You can kind of see it. And these are the new brake pads. See? Still have some life left. These ones are pretty much down to the metal already. After that, they will start messing up your disc brakes. And the best way to tell if you need new disc brakes is to feel it. If it's rigid, then you need to resurface it. If it's too thin from here, if you check clearance by millimeters, they're all different specs for each make and model. Then you will know that you need new rotors. But as for me, I don't need none right now. So we'll just stick with this. Okay. So when you're done with all that, make sure this is pushed in. Kind of slide it down. Also, if it kind of looks like stuck right that, don't worry. Just kind of push it more this way. And you're done. That's it. Now, you can push this in. If you're having some difficulties, look around. See that everything is kind of put in place. Put your 14mm bolt back. Okay, and then everything's reversed now. Ever since you took those brake pads off. Now I straighten out my wheel. Grab my tire. 8 holes in that thing, man. Okay. So easy way, beginner. Grab the socket, screw a little bit of each in. If you don't have a gun, keep screwing, tightening, whatever you want to call it. Kind of tie your wheel back in star bolt. I believe it's about 80 to 100 pounds of torque. Everything's different for every vehicle, but that's for me. Alrighty guys, so after you do that, pretty much done. Lower the car, jack. That's about it. My name's Faisal Seti. Not a mechanic, it's just a hobby. Alright guys, have a nice day.